my bathrobe, but it's not. It's a kimono. Isn't that bathrobe? You know, a cardigan. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So good to see you, so good to have you back, and let's roll. So today I was thinking, let's do some neutral eyelids with a bold lip. What do you think? What do you think? Let's get started. It's just me. This looks insane. Insane. But hi guys, welcome back. So I did this side of my face. I did the basics, like my foundation, my eyebrows, like I did in my last video and the video before that. So I wanted to share with you how I achieved this makeup look, and the grand finale is the lips. That's gonna tie all of this together and it's gonna look sexy, sultry. Let's jump right into the video. So I'm not naked, I have a top on, don't worry. We're already primed our lid, number one. So what I'm gonna jump into next, I'm gonna use this contour palette from NYX, and I'm gonna jump into the second color with a brush like this. And I'm just gonna focus the color like you can see here. We're gonna cut our crease, so we can be a little bit messy because we're gonna clean that up with concealer afterwards. But start up with a color that's gonna be a contour color. Pick up some more. This is gonna contour our global / crease. I'm gonna blend that color in here and then down my nose a little bit like I did on this side, and it's gonna like define your nose a little bit better and narrow it down. Don't forget to flick it out a little bit like I did on this side, because we're gonna build out a wing on that crease. I'm gonna pick up from the Kylie Bible palette this like brown burgundy, not a burgundy undertone, but it looks more brown peachy, and we're gonna pick it up with the same blending brush and build it up a little bit higher. Gonna go back to that NYX palette, and we're gonna pick up that color next to the first one we used that you see on the screen right here, and I'm gonna pick that up with a smaller precise brush like this, and we're gonna start carving out our crease even more. So take your time to be precise and find your crease, and if you're wondering where the crease is like the global right here. So you want that nice arch as you see on this side. By doing this first, this is gonna help us out when we're gonna carve it out even more. So just take your time. I'm gonna go back to that blending brush, the big fluffy one, and blend out a little bit. I'm not gonna put any more product on, just blend. Gonna go back to Kylie Bible, the same color. I'm gonna use that as a blending color. Go ahead and grab an angled brush or a flat brush like this, And we're gonna pick up a dark brown color from the Kylie Bible palette, and we're gonna start cutting out our crease. Once again, take your time, and we're gonna make a half circle. So I don't wanna follow my lid crease like you see down here. That's gonna not be showing when we look like this afterwards. So tilt your head backwards a little bit. And I like my crease to start off a little bit higher than my natural creases. So I'm gonna start off right here. That's a good start. Now I'm going to just blend out the edge a little bit with this brush right here. Then go back to the brown color, pick up some more, and we're going to build that up a little bit more intense. Go back, blend out the edges a little bit with the right hand. So we want to go ahead and carve out that crease. So what we need to do is grab some concealer. I'm going to use my Tarte Check Tip and a flat synthetic brush. That's going to help us line it out. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take this brush right here. Pick that up. There we go. So let's jump over to the black color, not black, but dark brown color, and pick up with the angle brush, and we're gonna carve out the crease a little bit more because now we got some help. It doesn't look too good right now. It looks kind of uneven, but as you can tell, when you just blend a little bit out and work your way up, it sounds like I don't got faith in myself, but I do. It just looks weird now. So let's just keep building. I'm gonna jump over to the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star's Cosmetics, and we're gonna take a little bit of that pinkish color on a fluffy brush, blending brush, and just gonna like take that up to our crease. Let's cover that lid with a natural eyeshadow, whiter than white. So we're gonna cover that lid, and I wanted to do the glitter, but I felt let's keep it natural, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take a flat brush, pack that white color from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jeffree Star palette, and let's cover that crease. Not crease, but let's cover that lid. There we go. So I'm gonna put some dip liner on, make a wing, just like here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some lashes, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, lashes on. Looking cute, looking cute. How you do? So what we're gonna do next is we need some eyeshadow on the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna pull you in closer. Now let's take a look. So we're gonna grab on to the Jeffree Star palette again, and we're gonna use that pink transition color that we popped on earlier. Flick it out a little bit. There we go. Now we need to deepen that outer corner here with the brown color that we used to carve out our crease. So I'm gonna go on over to that angle brush, dip in to the brown color. Grab the brush that we used earlier to blend out the crease. We're gonna blend it out on the bottom lash line as well. Here we go. Blending. Go back. Take some more of that brown color. I'm gonna go back to the NYX palette and we're gonna pick up these two colors right here, and we're gonna smoke out the line, the bottom lash line. I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom lash line, and then we're gonna work on our highlight. I already took some highlight on my inner tear duct right here, but we need some on this side and we need some in our face. So I'm gonna use the same technique that I always use, and that is with a small brush like this. I'm gonna pick up the Sleek palette in my favorite color right here, and we're gonna tap into there like it's no tomorrow and just start highlighting. Then I'm gonna tap some on my nose, so hopefully we get like a cute button nose. I'm gonna do a little bit on the bridge. And my cupids. So let's jump over to our lips. So for lips, I want to bring out my Kylie liquid lip. It's beautiful, like burnt red. There we go. So now that we got our lips on, we need some color in our cheeks, and the color is matching our lips. I'm gonna jump into my favorite blush palette at the moment, and we're gonna take some neutrals and a tad little bit of this crazy reddish color on the apples of our cheeks. There we go. I'm just gonna do my hair and I'll be right back. We got a sultry, cut crease, sexy eyelid, and some smashing lips to go with it. And a little bit off the shoulder action. Don't forget to bronze that up because it needs to match. So you know how to do that. I apparently don't. So I hope you enjoyed the look just as much as I did. And thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me. Even though we just met, let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speak is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.